Hi everyone, welcome to AP training. We will start the webinar in 15 minutes. We wait for others to join. Thanks for your patience. Hi everyone. Please everyone introduce yourself like are you student or working professional in the chat box. So it will be useful for the trainer to take the class. So everyone please introduce yourself like working professional or student. That's enough. Thanks. Hi everyone, please introduce yourself in the chat box like you are working professional or trained student kind of thing. So trainers, that will be useful for the trainer to carry on the session. Thanks, guys. We will start the class in exactly 10 minutes. Thanks everyone for the patience. We expect more people to join, so we will start meeting in 10 minutes. Thank you. Guys, everyone, can you able to hear my question, hear my voice properly? Is my voice clear or loud, or is it loud? Okay, thanks. Is my voice clear now? Someone asked me. Is my voice clear? Hello, everyone. Hi, everyone. We will wait for another 5 minutes and we will start the webinar session. Thanks, everyone, for the patience. And in the meantime, I want everyone to share. I want to share the introduction of themselves, like a student or working professional. And please provide your name and say you are working professional or student. That will be useful for the trainer to take the webinar. Thank you. Thanks everyone for the patience and your response. I can see lots of people introduce themselves. It's very good to hear. Most of them are students. That's so appreciable. Uh, Again, thanks everyone for joining, and we will start the meeting in 4 or 5 minutes. Thanks for your patience. Hi everyone. We will start the meeting in 2-3 minutes. I can see 80 people join, and it's very appreciable. For the new joinees, if anyone didn't introduce yourself, please introduce. We will take the webinar in 2-3 minutes. Please introduce yourself, like your name and your working experience, or either you are a student. That's very useful. Thank you. We will surely start the meeting in 2 minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys, we will start the meeting. And thanks everyone for attending our webinar. Welcome to AP training, and very warm welcome. And we will go for the webinar. First, I will tell what are the things we are going to cover in this webinar. Then we will go for the content. Everyone able to see my screen, right? And my voice is clear. Can you confirm this? So my voice and screen is visible. Is my voice loud or low? Yeah. Okay. Is it fine now? My voice, right? Okay. So there are 6 sessions in this webinar. First session is we will start with participant introduction. We want everyone to introduce themselves like working professional or student. And working professional means what's their experience along with your name. That will be helpful for the trainer to take a class. And second session is webinar content. Webinar, the trainer will teach you the content for 45 minutes. Third session is for queries. That will be for 20 minutes. Whatever doubt you are having about the content, you can ask in that 20 minutes. How about my voice now? Is it fine now or still low? Some people is saying it's low. How about now? 1 minute, guys. Give me some time. I will. Okay, sorry for the introduction. Sorry for interruption, guys. Fourth session will be student guide. I will tell you about the teaching methodology we are following in our AP training. Fifth one is APT offers, what are the offers we are providing today. And last session will be queries and feedback. And I want everyone to be participants till queries and feedback, so that you will get a feedback link. Through that, you will get a e-certificate. And I want everyone to fill the form properly with proper Gmail ID and proper phone number, so that you will get a certificate easily. And one more thing, who and all is very interactive, they will get certificate very quickly, and it is the automation process. Sometimes it will take 1 week for the certificate to send to your Gmail. So please wait for 1 week. You will get the certificate in 2 to 5 days. Okay. So we will first I will tell you about the AP training. AP training says the full form is all professional training. We are providing all electrical, IT sector training, electrical and electronics, all trainings we are providing, and we have almost 1,000+ students already in our training. Many people have been trained, and lots of people from US, UK, they have training with us. And we have a trainer with name Indraja. She has a lot of experience in Python, and she is a certified professional, and she will be taking webinars for today. Hi Indraja, you can carry on.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, good evening. Firstly, I shared my screen. So I'm Indraja. I'm a Python trainer. I'm working in currently I'm working in Tomorrow's Tech. So just a minute. Okay, can you see my screen? Can you able to see my screen? Yeah, thank you.
Yes, Indraja.
So today agenda is what is Python, why is Python is popular, features of Python. So today is just introduction class. Okay. So how many members you know about Python? Do you already know the Python, or you are new for Python? So if you are new, that is also no problem. I will tell you from first onwards. First we will learn what is Python. Firstly, Python is a general purpose high level programming language. here we know what is general purpose. General purpose is nothing but, here the name itself it is telling, we can use for multiple purpose. Multiple purpose. We know that Python is used in data science, AI, machine learning, networking, everywhere. Everywhere Python is using. So Python is a general purpose. Anywhere we can use Python. So in and high level programming language. High level means human understandable language, which means there are two levels. One is high level language, another one is low level language. Low level language means which can understand by a machine. That is called low level language. Yes, 0 and 1. That is machine language. But Python is high level language and very easy. If you know English, you can understand easily. You can understand the code very easily. So it is human understandable language. So Python is developed in 1989, but officially it is available to public in 1991. Okay. There are lots of features in Python. Okay. First we will see why Python is very popular. So Python, it is a functional programming, object-oriented programming, scripting programming, modular programming, and procedure programming. So first we will see functional programming. So how Python is arranged means, so first the C language, functional program is taken by C language, and object-oriented program is taken by C++, and scripting language is from parallel shell scripting. Modular program is from Modular 3 language. So everyone is borrowed from other language, and these functionalities are there. So that's why Python is very popular. So functionally programming, which means we can write functions. So we can write functions in Python. So that is just if you see C language, the syntax is same as Python. So which means the C language, Python program is borrowed from C language. So if we see the syntax, same as Python language, and object oriented. Object oriented means it is a concept which is used to write the programs in a form of classes and objects. So which is called object oriented programming language. So it is also supported by Python. And scripting language. Scripting language is also supported by Python. And modular programming. Modulars means modules. We have separate modules. If we declare one function, that is a module. We will import that module to another function. So we can write in a modular form also. So most of the syntax in Python program is from C and ABC language. ABC language is very older language. From that also Python is borrowing the skills and all those things. So next, features of Python. Features of Python is so how it is, why it is this much popular means based on its features. First one, simple and easy to learn. If you see the syntax of Python, you will tell that this is very simple, because if we write lots of code in Java, C language, yeah, I will share that PPT, don't worry. Scripting language is nothing but script. It is in a scripting form. I will show you later. Simple and easy to learn. Simple and easy to learn means if you know the English, you can write in a easy manner. When you see the Java or C++ or C, you will find lots of code. I will show you. In one line, we will. So once you install Python, you will get an IDE. So this is called IDE. So here we will print Hello. See, this is only one line of code. If you print this line of code in Java, it will take more. It will take more lines. It will compile and it will execute. It will take lots of time. So Python is very simple. And interpreter language. Anybody know that what is interpreter language? So interpreter is nothing but first, if we take in Java or other language, we need to compile the code. Not in interpreter. Yes, compile the code means check the code line by line. But in Python, interpreter will do that work. So there is no need of compilation of code. If any error is in the code, it will interpreter automatically checks and it automatically it throws an error. So Python is an interpreter language, freeware and open source also. Anybody know the difference between freeware and open source? So freeware is nothing but we can install the language free without any cost. But open source, yeah, tell me what is difference between freeware and open source? Yes, we can download without cost. And open source means we can access the code anywhere. That is called open source. Freeware means we can get the software freely. Okay. No, not that. No, open source means we can access the Python code anywhere. That is open source. And we know that high level programming language which can understand by humans, so that we can so that programmer can perform very easily. And fifth point is platform independent language. Platform independent language means if we write a program in Windows, for example, I wrote a program print hello world in Windows and I save it as a test.html. And if I take that code and if I will put in that code in Linux, it will show the same output without any error. So that is called platform independent. And next, portability. Portability is nothing but we can move code from one system to that means one platform to another platform. So for example, if we have two SIM cards, we need to convert first SIM card to another network. We can easily convert like that only. Like that, Python can move from one platform to another platform. That is, we can move from Linux to Mac to Windows, like that. We can't get any errors also. So dynamically typed. Anyone know that dynamically typed? Yes, it can run on any system with that code. We can run online. If we write the code in Windows, and we can run in Linux, Ubuntu, anywhere, Linux, Unix, anywhere you can. And anyone know dynamically type? So we can see that in Java or any language, we know that we need to declare the data types. Whether if we take for example one variable, we need to but if in Java or anywhere, we need to declare int before int or string. What is that variable we need to declare? But in Python we don't need to declare it. Automatically it takes. For example, if I wrote a is equal to 10. Okay. Now I will check what is the type of A. See, this is int. Okay. So it automatically allocates that it is a int. If I will write string type of A, see, it is string. If I will write boolean, so it is dynamically typed. Yeah, int means which can store the integer values. Integer values means 1, 2, 3 numbers. That is called integer data type. And string means which can store characters or strings. Int means integer data type. Okay. So next, Python is extensible. Extensible means we can write another if we have some problem with our performance or anything. If there is some problem in Python code, we need other language. We need other language of help. So in that time, we can access other language code in Python, which means we can write other languages in Python also. How means if Java has many flavors, and that is J Python, C Python. So J Python means Java Python, C Python means C language Python. Okay. So if we import that Java Python in our programming, we can use that code in Python language. Okay. So next is embedded. So extensible means we can get code from another language. Embedded means we can sorry, can't understand. Java Python, J Python is not library, no, it's an extension. Okay. Yeah, extensible means we can get other language code in Python. Embedded means we can take Python coding and we can use Python code in other languages also. Okay. So there are so many extensions, Java, J Python, C Python. So with that we can write code. We can use Python code in other languages code in Python. That way I will tell you after. And extensive libraries. Yeah, Python contains many libraries. We need to just import. That's why Python is very popular, because of this extension library. So that with that libraries only we can work Python in AI and machine learning anywhere. But Python has many libraries. We can import very easily also. And where can we use Python? In desktop applications we can use Python, web applications we can use Python, and network applications we can use Python, gaming applications also we can use Python, and data science and AI also we can use Python, and IoT applications, robotics. So in desktop applications, you may get a doubt. Desktop applications, what is means by desktop applications, which is nothing but if we search calculator and Excel, all these things are desktop applications. By using Python, we can develop desktop applications and web applications. By using the Django framework, we can develop web applications. And network applications, we know that network applications we will develop, and gamings also we can develop with Python. And we are listening very frequently about data science and AI. No one can use Java or C for data science and AI. Only Python, because there is lots of libraries and lots of modules. And IoT applications means Internet of Things. Yes, like Amazon and so on, and Internet of Things. And robotics also we are using Python. Which companies are using? We know that in 2017 or 18, Google convert their lots of code into Python, and YouTube are using Python's Big Bucket. You know that Big Bucket and Dropbox, Reddit. The many companies are converting, and you know that SaaS applications are also converting in Python recently. And there are flavors. Python contains many flavors also. And you people know that Anaconda Python also, because Anaconda Python, which is a editor used for machine learning and AI also. And IDE. So what is IDE? If we install Python, we automatically get this IDE, which is used to execute Python programs. And already software is there. Already they implemented the software. Yeah, already they implemented the software, and built-in data types and built-in libraries also there with IDE. If we run code in normal Notepad, we cannot get that features. If we take IDE, we can run lots of code in very easily. We can import lots of libraries also very easily. If we have big project or a big programming, we cannot run that project in this IDE. So there are advanced editors, which is PyCharm, Atom, Visual Studio Code. Mainly Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text are very useful for us to run the Python code, because we can easily import the libraries and all those things. And charts, we will see how the Python is implemented day by day. We can see how Python is developing more than previously. In 2017 or 19, we can see that Java is in the topmost level, but now we can see Python Python occupies the first place. Sorry. Yes, yeah, Python occupies first place. Python, we can see the 2020 reports also. It is developing more and more, because it has more on Python. In Python, we will get more opportunities also. Yeah, more opportunities also. Okay. If you have any doubts, please.
Indra, I have one.
Yeah.
What is the IDE we are using currently? Which IDE we will use for this training?
Currently, we will use Visual Studio Code.
Visual Studio Code. Okay.
Yes, I will. I will show you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you can give some demo code kind of thing. You have.
Yeah, I will give.
You can take 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, this is Visual Studio Code. So here we can this is a Django framework. how we implement it. So there is a terminal. So here we can import our libraries, all those things. Just a minute. Yeah, this is. Yes. Yeah, this is terminal, and we will get the, if any errors are there, we will get here, and if output here out, we will get a output, and debug. We can debug if any errors is there, all those things. Here we can install the libraries which we can want by using pip install, like that. So this is a Django framework which I developed. This is static files and templates. Templates, which means HTML pages. We can place HTML pages here, and static means images, JavaScript, all those things we will put in static files. And this is admin.py, which means we can write the admin coding all here. And models, database structures. Here we can declare the database structures, all those things. Okay, if you want to test the code, here if you want to do testing, Python can do testing also by using test.py. Here we can declare our code to test Python code after writing the code. This is view, and view means all the code, all the backend code, and all the functions, modules, all those things are implemented in views. And model is to implement the database connections, and view is to implement the functions. So mainly model is used to declare what are variables are there in database. For example, if we take company name, address, city, state, all those things are declared in model, and we are connecting this model with our databases. With that databases, here I declared client user. For example, client user is a database table. Okay, this is a table. We need to import this table in here. Okay, and this is settings. Here we can do all those settings, like database settings, and where is our HTML pages. We need to declare the path, all those things, and middlewares, and security. Python providing very security, and we need to declare the whatever the app we are using. We need to declare here, which means install apps. So we can write many projects in one, many modules in one application by declaring app the names in these installed apps. And we have allowed hosts. If we have servers or all those things, we can take here. And security, this security key which we can use, and URLs. So URLs is nothing but addresses of the project, or addresses of the website. So here we can declare URLs and all those things. Yes, that's it. And we can import, if we have for example, if we have here there is a function. For example, we have an error in this function, so we can debug. A debug means we can stop the code if I need to debug here, we can stop the code here and we can run the code. In that time, we will get only output for this line only, not other lines. So like that, we can debug and we can get if any errors are there or anything. So in Python, we can declare classes, or we can use only functions also. Not a problem. We can declare classes, or we can declare with the methods like that. Yeah, we can use like this. We can use Sublime text also. Like there are lots of IDs also there. I will show you Sublime text. Sublime text is also like this only. So I think everyone know that Sublime text editor. This is also same. This is also same. We can here we can.
Indraja, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Can you give overview of Sublime? Most of them are students now, so if you give an overview of what is Sublime, that will be useful for them.
Yeah. Yes, Sublime is also another type of editor, which we here also Python, we can work Python, and here we can edit HTML files very easily, HTML and CSS files very easily. For example, yeah, see, just I typed HTML, that's it. We will get enter the structure of the code. Okay, so there is many shortcuts in Sublime text also. We need to know that shortcuts. I will tell you those shortcuts also. And mainly Sublime text is used for editing HTML pages and CSS pages. We can use easily in Sublime text, and Visual Studio Code is for Python editings and all those things. And in Python, we need to declare the libraries on the top. Every library on the top, and this is database, and this is manage.py, which means we after running the
Guys, am I audible? Can you able to hear me? Okay, I guess she got left the meeting by mistake. Give me a minute. I will contact her. Yeah, just 1 minute, guys. Thank you. Hi, Indreja. I guess you were left by mistake or some network issue. Indreja? Guys, she will be joining in 1 or 2 minutes. Some system issue. Give us 1 minute. Thank you.
Yeah, sorry for the interruption.
It's okay, Indrija. We can able to hear you now. You carry on. Can you show us some sample code how to create the program and
Yeah,
how to
I will
execute
show.
some sample program like Hello World? So that will be easy.
Yeah, I will show.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, here I'm taking a new file. Okay. Here we can print how. So we can say run module, or we can use F5 also. So first, before we need to save that. So I'm saving it in desktop. Yes, like that we can. For basics, we can use this editor. If you want to do any advanced code, we can use Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code or Python, all those things. First, I will write. Here we don't need any comma, any semicolons, all those things. Python will follow. Hello. Hello, sorry. So Python will follow tab spaces. Here I declared A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2, A plus B, A plus B, and I am clicking F5. 30. This is common, but here we can declare someone is sorry. This is common. In Python, we can declare like this also. For example, we need to declare many variables. We can declare like this also. B is equal to 20. Like that. We can declare many variables. 30. HANA print A plus B plus C. Okay, now I'm clicking F5. Okay. 60. Okay. No, some default libraries also there in Python, so we cannot necessary to import libraries. If we want to do advanced code like this, we need to print random numbers like that. We will import libraries. For a simple thing, we don't need to import any libraries or any those things. Okay. And next I will do so I will write one function. So in Python we will declare function as def. By declaring def we will write function. Okay. In Python we will write function like this. First function and function name, and function after that we need to declare colons. Okay. So see, we didn't get output. Okay, why? Because we need to call the function. So after declaring the function, we need to call the function. Then only it will get executed. Okay. And we can declare before the functions we can declare classes also, and we can declare many functions in the same. Okay. So if I call hello function, it will execute hi. If we call hi, it will execute like that. Which function we will call, those outputs will execute. We can write many functions in one page. That is also not problem. And we know we don't need any semicolons or anything. We just need to declare colons. Okay. Yeah, I will give interview tips also. For gaming programming, we need separate environment to do gaming programming and all those things. Def is that in Python, functions are declared by using def. Def is a keyword. In Python, there are 30 keywords. 30 keywords are there. For functions, we need to use a keyword is called def. Okay. This is def. This is a keyword, and after def, we need to declare class function name. For example, if I need to take function as a test, or if I need to take a function as add, I need to add some elements. Okay. For that, we need to declare the function name and open. So in those functions, we can write whatever we want. And if we declare this is a local variable, and if we declare outside the function variable, we can call it as a global variable. For if we declare inside the method, it is a local variable. Okay. Yes, we can use Pygame for library for games and all those things. No, we cannot use def is we don't need to use any keyword to declare a variable in Python. Yes. So in variables, I already tell you that there is no need to declare a variable. Just we need to declare one variable. That's it. We don't need any semicolons, and we don't need any data types, and all those things. We don't need anything. Just now I will say print A 10. So this is very easy language. We don't need to import libraries. We don't need anything. We just need to declare one variable and we need to assign the value. That's it. Def is to define a function. Def is a keyword. It is used to define a function. If you want to define a function, we need to use def keyword. If we don't need one, if we don't need any function, I will write only one line of code. I don't need anything. Just we can write print. Yeah, that's it. This is also work in Python. See, print A is equal to 10. So if we need to write many modules, in that time we need to write a function. If I need, for example, if I need to add a variable, and if I need to subtract a variable, if I need to subtract, okay. So we need I have two functions. These are functions. Okay. For example, these are global variables. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. These are global variables. So print. If we declare outside the function, it is called global variables. If we declare inside the function, it is called local variables. Okay. Print A plus B. And here I mean print A minus B. Okay. Okay, I will run this. So now I need to call the function. If I need an add function, I will get adding of two numbers. If I need a subtract function, I will get subtraction like that. Okay. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, please drop me a message here.
Guys, if you have any doubt, please free to ask. You can ask in the chat box.
Okay.
Anyone?
Yeah.
Is everything clear?
If you have any doubts, please ask me, no problem.
Someone asked for some sample program like Palindrome. Is it possible, Indra, to show it today?
Sorry?
Someone asked to show some program like Palindrome.
Yeah,
is it possible?
Palindrome.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
it is possible.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, what is palindrome?
Indira, your voice is not clear. Are you speaking?
Okay, yes. Now
Yeah, no.
is it
Yeah,
okay?
no, fine, no, fine.
So what is palindrome? Anybody know?
Uh,
Okay. Palindrome is palindrome is nothing but if we reverse a number or variable, it must be same. For example, if I declared a is equal to 1 to 1, if we reverse this variable, if we reverse this number, we will get 1 to 1. Okay. Now, for example, if b is equal to okay, if we reverse the string, if we will get same. That is called palindrome. Digits or any strings, if we reverse those things, we will get the same output. It is called palindrome. Okay. So first I will declare function. Okay, first palindrome. So I'm declaring one variable s is equal to. So in Python, we can declare in string, we can declare string characters in double quotes or single quotes, anything we can declare. Okay. So first I declared s is equal to madam, and I will check if we need to check what we need to check. First, we need to reverse that string. Okay. First, we will reverse that. Okay. First, I'm declaring the variable. For example, reverse. Okay. Now, and we have okay, reversing the string. Okay. How can we reverse the string? We loop the string and the shortcut, which is reversed method.
sorry guys, again, there is some technical difficulties. We will wait for one. Apologies for this introduction. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Can you hear me?
Yes, Indra.
Yeah, thanks. Okay. Can you see my screen also? Can you able to see my screen?
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
we are good.
Yeah. So first I took s is equal to madam. It's a string. We need to first we need to reverse the string. Okay. Then only we can get to know that is palindrome or not. By using loop function we can reverse a string, or by using a reversed method. In Python there is a one reverse method is there. With that we can reverse the function. After reversing the string we need to join. Okay. So I joined. So now I am checking. We need to check here after reversing the string, that string is stored in reverse and our previous string is stored in s. Okay, we need to check by using if condition. If s is double equal to reverse, which means if s is equal, if the same value in s which is equal to the value in the reverse. Okay, please return or please print yes. Okay, or if it is not, if it is not a palindrome, please print no. Okay, so I will run this code again. First we need to save. Now we need to run. So I need to call the function name. Without calling function we cannot get output. So it is telling that s. Okay, yes, joined and reversed. So if I will write another string. Another string, just for example, say. So again I will just a minute. So I will, okay, I will do all these things in IDE. I will show you in the IDE. So here we can execute. So without function we won't declare any function. That's it. Okay, I will show you how to run that one also. So you people don't want function. Without function also we can declare. Okay. So indentation is main important in Python. Okay. Yes, we can use just 1 minute. So No, I didn't use any. So I didn't use any function name. No, I will execute this. No. No. So without function also we can declare the code. Yes, like that. With function, without function, we can use. Yes, loop, by using loop we can use we can reverse the string also. Just we need to remove this and we need to use for loop. For loop the string and we need to join that string. That's it. Okay, any doubts about this? Okay, if you have any doubts, please.
Guys, you can ask any doubt in this time. Please ask your doubt in the chat box regarding the webinar content.
Yes, we can use for loop also. I already told you, no, we can remove this and we can use for loop. First, we need to declare one empty variable for that, and we need to loop. We need to loop that string first. We need to loop that string, and we need to add. We need to add that string like that. We need to add the string. When we add that string, it will store here, and we need to check condition. Same process. By using default methods, it is the best way to write a code, because for loop it will take some more time. Here it is only one string. We can use for loop. That is not a problem. If there are so much of text in that time, if we use for loop, it will take lots of time. So better to use default methods anytime. Sorry, I didn't get you, Anish Kumar.
Yeah, I guess she's just shared the. She just answered for someone. I guess
Okay, okay.
she just gave y plus plus and y minus minus. And someone, Gayatri, I guess, she asked, what are the predefined methods like reversed in Python? Just give us some samples like what are the
Yeah, some
predefined
examples, upper, lower, like that. There are so many predefined methods. Tomorrow I will give you a list of predefined methods. No problem. Yeah, in next class I will give predefined methods list.
Guys, actually, this is the kind of a demo class. So we are providing some basics things. What are Python, like that. So we are having courses. So if you want to learn something deep or more, you can join any of the courses, and we will give the details about those courses later. So far, any doubts about this webinar content? Okay, most of them said no. Any other doubts? It's like a last call. I will wait for 5 minutes, then we will go for next sessions. Okay, Indra. So if you are
Yeah.
done, so we can move to the next session. Do you have anything to say more or?
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks.
Yeah, so we will move on to next session.
Yeah.
Our student, right?
Yes, yes.
Please let me know once you can able to see my screen. Is everyone able to see my screen and my voice is clear? Okay. So in this session, we will discuss about the teaching methodology we are using in our AB trainings. So we call it as APT 5 forces: simple learning methodology, students recall, creative explanation, fingertip materials, additional bonuses. Our teaching methodology, every class will contain 6 sessions, except this demo class. There are 6 sessions and it will be covered in 75 minutes. First session will be for yesterday's class revision. Whatever doubt you have about yesterday's class, you can ask in that session. That second session will be for 20 minutes. In that 20 minutes, the trainer will teach that day topics. Session 3 for 15 minutes, that's for practice. Whatever teacher taught you on the session 2, we have to practice in that session. Again, session 4 for 15 minutes, that day class will be covered. Session 5, again for practice session. You can practice whatever was taught in session 2 and session 4. Session 6 is for 5 minutes. That's 2. Students should recall whatever the trainer taught you on that day. So whatever the trainer taught you, we have to teach back to the trainer. I will explain why we have that session 6. If you see this learning pyramid, if you discuss with others about any technology, you will get only 50% knowledge. That is, taking a class or you discuss with friends, you will get only 50% of the knowledge. If you teach others, you will get 90% of the knowledge. So that is why we are having that session 6. That's if you teach the trainer whatever was taken in that class, that you won't forget easily. That is why we are having that session. And we want everyone from our training institute should have maximum knowledge of that technology. That is why we are having that session 6. Creative explanation, e-learning, e-coaching, collaborative learning, and virtual classroom. E-learning is we will provide you the online tools, videos, those things. And e-coaching, the trainer will teach you on live via Zoom or Skype. And collaborative learning, we will provide the chats, and there are discussion forums we are having. If you have any doubts, you can ask there. The trainer will clarify those doubts over there. Virtual classroom, it's a online classroom like you guys are having in nowadays, right? In your college. So it's a live class. So what is the advantage means? If you go through online for any class, you will get lots of text, videos, and everything you will get, but you don't know how to start. So in our AP trainings, we are starting from basics. So we will teach you from basics. So that is a major advantage. And the classes will be taken in live. It's like not a recorded session. The classes will be taken lively. So these are the advantages we are having. This is OneNotes. Whatever the trainer taught you, that will be taken in OneNotes, and those notes will be shared to you. Mind map is nothing but this will tell how your mind works. So some students will grasp the topic easily, and some will take much time to understand. So according to the student's nature, we will teach the class. More information like class notes with picture, diagrammatic flow explanation, whole training textbook in a single notebook. That is nothing but OneNotes. We are providing fingertip materials, video recordings. Every class recordings will be available in Google Drive, and who are there in that courses, we will give access for them. So whenever you want, you can go through that video recording session, and you can get clarified. So the video recordings is what the class you attend, that video can be recorded. That videos are recorded, and that will be available for you. Class notes and documents, that is OneNotes, and software. If any software is licensed, means we will provide the license for short period, like 3 months or 6 months. It is applicable for licensed software. For example, some of the softwares will be licensed for some technology. Those licensed software we will provide. Okay. Additional bonuses, free interview session. We will help you to prepare resume, lifelong community support, whatever doubts you have. Once course completed also, if you want to clarify any doubt, we will guide you. If you want to do any professional certification, we will guide you on that. We have dumb sheriff, and we know how to crack it. So we will help you to do any professional certification also. And we are providing job links and LinkedIn recommendation. If any recommendation comes from LinkedIn, we will recommend you. Any doubt till now in our teaching methodology? Any doubt so far? Before moving to next session, I would like to share some feedback of our students. Feedback. This is the student review from onsite. She was a teacher. She was a teacher, and she moved from teaching to IT field. She get a full course from us, and with our training, she got a job in IT field. And this is the feedback of her. We have lots of feedback, but I don't want to provide. I don't want to show all the feedback. We are going to show 4 or 5 feedback only. And we will provide the website links later. Thanks, Skype. So this is the feedback from the working professional. He took a SQL course with us, and this is the feedback of working professional. So if you are a working professional and if you want to switch to some other technology, means we will guide you. So we are taking from basics, so you will get a basic knowledge and deep knowledge also. Course price will be taken in the later session. So this is the student review. If you see, she has taken a blue prism from us, and she is a student, and this is the feedback of her. So I have shown the feedback of people who switched from different field and working professional, and this is the student review, and this is non-IT student review. She takes SAP course with us, and she is from non-IT background, and she said this is worthy, and this is the feedback of. So I have shown the feedback of all types of people, working professional, non-IT student, and switching the fields. So whatever you want, we will guide you. If you want to switch the field, we are happy to do that. And if you are non-IT also, we will take it from basics. So you won't feel different. It will be easy for you. Okay. Any doubt? Shall we proceed with the offers we are providing for today? So this is the offer session. So first, let me tell you the training model we are following in our AP trainings. One is full course and one is flash course. If you take flash course, that will be conducted as 2 days workshop, and that will be cover 8 to 10 hours. So flash course, we will tell mostly the important concepts of Python. Whatever important, too much of important in flash course, we will conduct training for that. It will take 8 to 10 hours, and this will be conducted in this 2 days workshop. So that is flash course, and full course is 30 classes. So you will get 30 classes for full course, and each classes will be conducted for 75 minutes per day. So totally, the total duration of full course is 35 to 40 hours. In full course, you will get knowledge of end-to-end concepts in Python. You will become an end-to-end knowledge Python developer. In flash course, you will get important concepts of Python. So that is the difference between flash course and full course. Flash course will be taken for 2 days workshop, and full course is like 30 classes. So this will be 6 weeks. Full course is for 6 weeks. Any doubt in this training model, in durations? Any doubt in this? And we will take the classes in your preferred time. So whatever time you are preferred, and we will conduct the training accordingly. So don't worry about the timings. So mostly we will take in the non-working hours. So that will be very easy for you to attend. Any doubt in this duration? Okay, guys, if you guys have any idea about what is the market price for Python, have you searched before? If you have any idea, you can tell in the chat. Any idea about the course price? How much? It's just for curiosity. 12,000. Someone is saying 12,000, 15,000, 21,000. Okay. Okay, guys, thanks for the response. Most of them saying 10 to 12,000, 15,000. Okay. So yeah, I heard that also. The course market price will be for Python is full course, it will be 40 to 45K, and flash course will be 6,000 to 8,000. But we are not charging that much in our AP trainings. In AP trainings, we are charging for full course 20,000 and flash course for 2,000. This is normal price. And how you feel about this price? Full course for 20,000, flash course for 2,000. Is it affordable? Okay, thanks for the response, guys. Most of them saying it's reasonable. Someone saying asking for offers. Someone is asking for offers. Okay. I want response from everyone, so that will be interactive. So, what about others? I got only 6 or 7 response. Yeah, offers. Yeah, we are having discounts. I want some others response also. What you feel about this? Our price. Full course is for 20,000. Flash course for 2,000. Others, any idea? Thanks. Okay. So, okay. Someone is saying this price itself good. Yeah, that's good to hear. So I will reveal the offers which is available for the people who joined the webinar today. This offer is only for the people who joined the webinar today, and yeah, you will get the benefits, Rahul. Yeah. So the best price is this offer is only for up to the session completes. We are providing flash course for 99 rupees and full course for 12,000. So flash course will be conducted for 8 to 10 hours. That is for 99 rupees, and full course is for 12,000. So full course it will be for 30 class. You will get end-to-end knowledge of every concepts in Python, and flash course for 8 to 10 hours conducted in 2 days workshop, and main concepts only covered in flash course. It's just 99 rupees. Previously we are providing this offer for almost 1,000 to 2,000. Now we are providing this for 99 rupees. So what do you think about these offers, guys? Your view. Can you say your view? What's how much this is? Is this affordable or? And we have provided the payment link. If you want to join any course, please do the payment and send the screenshot to that number, or I will provide my number. You can provide the screenshot, payment screenshot here, so that we will add you in our course detail. So we have provided the payment link. So whoever did the payment, please make the payment and send the screenshot to us. I have sent my number, and there is a number available in that link itself. You can ping over there. It's just for 15 minutes. Please make use of it, guys. We already have one student joined. Uma, she just joined. Yeah, you will get a recommendation and certificate with Flash course. Whatever is available for full course, those things will be available in Flash course. You can send the screenshot to two numbers. We have provided those two numbers, so you can send to any number the screenshot. So we can add you in the course. We can add you in the class. Job offers. We will provide you the job links and recommendation, and we will guide you to clear the interviews, and we will help you to get the job. But you don't have anything like placement. The flash course timings will be that will be available in your preferred time only, not during working hours. Don't worry about that. The timings we will talk later. That mostly that will be non-working hours only. So we got Gayatri. Others. Please make a use of this offers, guys. This flash course and full course price won't be available next time. And you can send the screenshot to both of the numbers. You can send the screenshot to these numbers, and I will provide the payment link. So this is the payment link. You can do Google Pay or Phone Pay, WhatsApp link. And once you've done the payment, please send the screenshot to any of that number. So we got Rahul joined. Thanks, Rahul. Thanks for joining. Yes. So far, we got the 3 people joined. Guys, so far we got a 3 students join. Anyone interested to join, you can think. We will talk. If any doubts, you can ask here. We will provide the link in 15 to 20 minutes. We have provided the payment link. Please do your payment and let us know. So we will include you in that batch. Guys, we have only 10 minutes for the offer to be kept. So please make use of it. And we will provide offer only for the people who joined the webinar today. Thank you. Guys, we have 3 students joined from this. Please make use of it, guys. This is available for only 10 minutes, and we will provide the feedback after the offer period completes. Guys, the offer is going to expire in 5 minutes. Please make use of it. And full course for 12,000 and flash course for 99 rupees. And we got one more student join with us. I just provided the feedback link, guys. So please give your valuable feedback over there and with proper Gmail ID and phone number so that you will get the certificate in your Gmail ID in 1 week. So it's automation process. Sometimes it might take longer time. So maximum time it will comes in 1 week to your Gmail ID. So please provide proper Gmail ID and phone number and your valuable feedback about this webinar. So that will be helpful for us in future. Thank you. And if anyone interested or if your friends interested means, please let us know. And the offer today's offer is full course for 12,000 and flash course for 99 rupees. And so far we got 4 students joined. Guys, I have provided feedback link. Please provide the feedback link. And please make use of it. We are providing flash course for just 90 rupees. Please make a use of it. Flash course for 900 rupees and full course for 12,000. Full course you will get end-to-end concept, end-to-end knowledge. Full course will be taken for 40 hours, 35 to 40 hours, and flash course will be for 8 to 10 hours. Please make use of it. So whoever done the payment, please send the screenshot to that 2 numbers we have provided before. Or if you are in group, please send the screenshot to those admins. So we will add you in that batch. I will provide the contact number to send the feedback. Please send the screenshot to those 2 numbers. Whoever done the payment, please send the screenshot to those numbers. So we will add you in the batch. If you want to join in flash course, please pay 19 rupees. And if it is full course, please pay 12,000 rupees. And as I said before, full course is for 35 to 40 hours. You will get end-to-end concepts of Python. And if it is flash course, that will be conducted for 2 days workshop. That is 8 to 10 hours. So whoever done the payment, please send the screenshot. Then only we can add you in that particular batch. Offer will ends in 7 minutes, guys. Thank you. So far we got 5 people joined. That's very good to hear. Guys, offer will ends in 5 minutes. Please make use of it. Flash course is just for 99 rupees. Please make use of it. Guys, many of them showed interest for me. Many of them pinged me, and thanks for those interests. Offer will end in 5 minutes, guys. Please make use of it. So far, we got 5 people joined. So far, we got 6 people joined with the flash course with us, and thanks everyone for joining. And thanks for having a class with us. Thank you. Please send a screenshot to this number. Sorry. And I will provide the feedback link again. Please provide your valuable feedback and provide some proper Gmail ID. We got so far we got 6 students joined with us in flash course for Python. Thank you. I have provided the feedback form again. Please fill it, guys. The offer will end in 5 minutes. Guys, as per students' request, we have extended this offer till 8. If anyone interested to join, please take a time and do your payment and send the screenshot to us. We have extended the offer till 8 o'clock today. So please make use of it. Many students have requested, so we have extended that offer. Full course for 9,000, 12,000 and flash course for 99 rupees. And thanks everyone for joining, and please provide your feedback in that form with proper Gmail ID. And the offer is extended till 8 o'clock. Anyone interested to join, please make a payment and send the screenshot to those numbers. So we will add you in that batch. So we are going to create one new batch. So we will add you in that batch. Thank you. far, we got 6 students who have joined with a flash course, and we have extended the offer till 8 o'clock as per some students' request. Please, everyone, make use of it, guys. It's a from my point of view, this is the best option. 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours workshop is for just 19 rupees. You can get a main concepts of Python. For students, it will be really useful. Please make use of it. And if you have taken the full course, you will get end-to-end concepts and you will become a Python developer in 30 to 45 days. Think about that and please make use of it. One step can change your life. Maybe this might be that step. So please think about it before leave the class. We extended the offer till 8 o'clock. And if you're interested to join the flash course or full course, please make a payment and send the screenshot to us.